Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Amazon Thermostat. First, ensure your home has a C-wire for power. If not, a C-wire adapter kit is necessary. Download the Alexa app on your smartphone. The app will guide you through the step-by-step installation process, including connecting the device to your home's Wi-Fi network. Always verify your existing heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system is compatible before you begin installation to ensure a smooth setup experience. Once installed, controlling your Amazon thermostat is straightforward. You can adjust the temperature directly on the device by pressing the up or down arrows. For remote control, simply open the Alexa app on your smartphone, allowing you to change settings from anywhere. Alternatively, use voice commands with any Alexa-enabled device, like an Echo Dot, to effortlessly set your desired temperature or switch between heating, cooling, and fan-only modes. To maximize comfort and energy savings, leverage the smart features. Create custom schedules within the Alexa app to automatically adjust temperatures throughout your day, aligning with your routine. Utilize the away mode to conserve energy when your home is empty, and home mode to return to your preferred settings. Enable hunches for intelligent adjustments based on your habits and other connected smart home devices, making your home even more efficient. Implementing a few simple tips can significantly boost your energy savings. During warmer months, set your thermostat to a slightly higher temperature, perhaps 78 degrees Fahrenheit, and in cooler months, aim for a lower setting, around 68 degrees Fahrenheit, when you are home. Use the auto fan mode to ensure air circulates only when heating or cooling is active. Remember to regularly check and replace your HVAC system's air filters for optimal performance and airflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.